Good morning, good morning, good morning. Today we're back at reading another story, and this one is The Nightingales, Volume 1. The Nightingales, Volume 1. Who We Are by Gallus. As a nightingale, I feel compelled to put quill to parchment and record my thoughts regarding my knowledge of our order. If one day the nightingale should vanish from Tamriel, then let this be tome serve as a reminder of what we once were, and to dispel any rumors or hearsay about our purpose and our motivations. Our trinity serves the Lady Nocturnal, the Empress of Murk, and the Daughter of Twilight. We believe her to be our patron. Well, if not the patron of all thieves worldwide, we serve her without prayer, without charity, and without celebration. Our bond with Nocturnal is in the form of a business transaction. We strike which is known as the Oath. Her terms are simple and, well, binding. As nightingales, we are required to guard the Twilight Sepulchre, the Temple Nocturnal, against those that perceive a threat. In return, we are allowed to use our abilities nightingales to, well, further our own means, and of course the means of the Thieves Guild. But upon our death, we are bound to the Twilight Sepulchre as guardian spirits until such time as Nocturnal feels our contract has been fulfilled. Our ultimate fate lies within the Evergloom, Nocturnal's realm. There, other spirits become one with the shadow itself, and we become the clock which envelops all of our fellow thieves in our endeavors. This is the true origin of the phrase, "walk with the shadows," which is uttered by the Thieves Guild. The Twilight Sepulchre is more than a temple. It contains a conduit from our world to the world of Evergloom, a swirling pool of liquid midnight we call the Evermere. This is the heart of the Sepulchre and the source of Nocturnal's influence throughout the world. The Evermere can only be sealed by removing a unique key from its lock. This key, which occasionally finds its way beyond the walls of the Sepulchre, is widely known as the Skeleton Key of Nocturnal. The Skeleton Key is an often misunderstood artifact. Those that seek to possess it tend only to use a fraction of its potential. Most will mistake it for a unique and unbreakable lockpick. While this is true, the wonder of this defense can only be appreciated once the owner is willing to expand his mind and abstract that what defines unlocking. This action refers to, more than simple doors and portals. In the proper hand, the Skeleton Key has the capability of unlocking hidden potential and untapped abilities. The extent of this power has yet to be discovered, which is a frightening thought if it ever fell into the wrong hands. As a member of the Trinity of Nightingales, it is incumbent upon us to recover the Skeleton Key if it strays from the Twilight Sepulchre. Why Nocturnal allows the key to be stolen in the first place is a mystery. Some say she revels in the chaos this artifact causes. Others feel she simply does not care, that pretty squabbles of men are mere and beyond her. Whatever the case may be, it is our duty to ensure it remains safely within the confines of the Sepulchre. To say that the Nightingales are a holy order, though, would be doing us a disservice. In our hearts, we are thieves. We enjoy the hunt and delight in the spoils. We might swear loyalty to Nocturnal and hold some influence within the Thieves Guild, but the greatest allegiance a Nightingale has is to himself.